Welcome back to another episode. How's this for a spot? It is cold, I've got to admit. It's winter, you got to expect it to be cold. But geez, what a spot. No wind. It's beautiful. I think this will be camp tonight. Just got to level out a little bit. I'm a little bit on a lane, but that'll be alright. Fire pit there. Might move forward a little bit. And yeah. Whew. Bought the mutt, as you can see. He's happy. He's just had a nice long drive. Stop eating. Oi. But what a view. Get the mud. Sooner I get that fire going, the warmer I'll be. So I'm just going to get the car set up perfect. And then get nice and warm. Well, leveling the car was pretty easy. It was a matter of just digging a couple of holes with the shovel and letting it drop in. Good to go. Now to get this fire going. Good thing about camping in winter is no one's here. Got the whole place to myself. Whew. Oh. Oh yeah. Now good. Silly me, left my awning poles, or one of them, or left two of them actually, sorry, on the back of the car when I drove off last camp. So I lost them, I only got one. So I had to go buy some. These are a bit shorter. That's all I could get, short notice, so fingers crossed they do the job. About to find out. bed's all made. Foot bed's getting excited. Just a bit better this time. That sun's dropping quick. Right. Gotta cook dinner, have a hot drink, get this fire going so I can cook dinner. If not, I'm doing it on the pan. But yeah. Oh, what a magic spot, eh? Absolutely beautiful. Oh, got a mate over there, meat pie, sitting on the rock. You reckon he's looking for food? I do. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Feeding time at the zoo. A little bit worried, poor fella. Go on, eat, mate. It's all good. Still not used to this camping. We are the only ones here. There's no one, obviously, because it's winter. No one else is stupid enough to do it. But yeah, luckily, I think I picked a good day. I think the rain's all stopped and cleared. It's a little bit of a dark cloud there, but I don't think it's anything to stress about. The rest of it is just enjoying. No real wind. There's just, yeah, magic. The wind is meant to get less and less as the night goes on, and by the morning it's meant to be just crystal. So, should be a cold morning, which we're expecting, but yeah. We'll be right in the rooftop, won't we, Fatty? Cuddle up together, keep each other warm. So quiet too. Birds around. I don't know how bad the bugs are going to get tonight, but we'll find out. I'm going to probably put some water on soon. Try and get some coals to cook on. I've got chops tonight. I'm going to do chops and veggies, but we'll see how we go. I think it's time to put the belly on. Oops. Bit of dirt in there. You're getting smoked, boy. There is a few bugs coming around, but apart from that, it's good. That wind's died off. Fire's starting to roar. Dog's starting to chill. Win-win. Well, I just stuffed up. Thought I'd hit record and made a nice hot chocolate with me favourite hot chocolate at the moment, the old Lindt. She's nice and hot. The kettle boiled and everything, it was good. And then I put some more coals, sorry. Then I put more coals under the fry pan because it just wasn't get hot, it like it died. So now it's cooking. Just got to keep an eye on this bullfed. Doesn't try and eat them. I think he likes chops. And anyway, I've even got some marshmallows for later on the fire, which will be good. Sun's come out, you can see it on the rocks, look at that. Oh. And then up there. Ooh. A beautiful afternoon. Dead calm. Dead calm. Like this mirror image. How cool is that? Put some potatoes on to go with it. Got to eat good. Look after the body. Cannot complain one little bit. As usual though, I think I'm probably cooking too much, you know. I don't think I'll eat it all, but we'll see how we go. I'm sure some little scab here would like some. Oh, this is good. Oh, a bit of a breeze come through then. Oh, I feel it. Magic. Don't worry, that's not the only bit of wood I've got. I've got a bag. I stopped and chopped some on the way. Got a bag here full, so I should be able to keep that fire going for quite some time tonight. I do have to set up lights still. I haven't done that. I'll get onto that in a minute. Because it gets dark quicker than I'm prepared for. But man, how good's this? Yes, mate. Yes, down. How good. To tell the truth, this is probably the best thing you've ever seen me cook and eat on the show. Well, I'm going to sit down, eat this, well, hopefully no dog hassles me. Good boy, sit. He's hassling me, look. Stay. I'll give him a little bit. Alright, I'm going to enjoy this. Look at this. A couple of friends. I think they want some as well. And Bullfed isn't even moving. You're a good boy, aren't you? Fire's roaring, dishes are done, hot chocolate still to drink, bed's made, lights are ready. What else do you want? This is just what I need. It's been a while. Well, okay, it's been a couple of weeks, but to you guys out there in the YouTube and social media world, it's only been a day probably, or a week. But yeah, so I've had. All right. Ah, this is therapy.